is going to be an absolutely outstanding meeting. We have increasing focus on the myeloid cell compartment, the tumour macrophages that govern, control the initiation and progression of cancers, and the emerging theme of the ecology of cancers with a focus on the microbiome and the impact of fungal ecologies on cancer growth and tumour progression. This year we have Alan Balmain, who will be making a guest appearance for the Gordon Peters Lecture on tumour promotion, following his outstanding work that has shown over the last 2 to 3 decades the importance of tissue inflammation in driving the early steps of cancer initiation. We have Ilaria Melanchi giving a keynote lecture on the role of neutrophils in tumour dissemination from the primary site to distant sites of metastatic disease, and several outstanding lectures in the field of tumour immunotherapy, including the emerging field of cellular therapies to treat solid tumours, the role of eosinophils in checkpoint inhibitor response, and this new cell type that's increasingly described of tremendous and relevant importance in cancer immune control, the T-resident memory CD8 T cells. So this is a really fantastic MAP conference. I'm very, very excited about this. I think this is probably one of the best MAP conferences so far, and I encourage you all to register and submit abstracts.